That's that new beat. The dungeon is back, baby. JCHC finally returns. I got some. What you gotta do, what you gotta say with this, ain't really gonna see with this. But I know that I'm gonna still spit in the whole hit list. That you ain't tight to, but I still see that you entirely don't get the spit game, don't get this whole lane, don't get this whole chain, don't get this whole vein. And that's how it's gonna be, man. I'ma remain to the same of the brain. I'ma see what it's gonna be hitting for pretty soon. That you ain't gonna see your own room painted all over like you ain't cold over. But I get better after better, cheddar after cheddar. This is gonna be so better. How the freestyle list coming in with kick flips, coming in with whole rips, coming in with big whips. I don't know what it's gonna be entirety, but I still just do my own thing. JCHC gonna rep to the death of it. It's gonna be so hot that you ain't gonna be able to sit down under 500 degrees. And this is gonna say please to your knees, to the cheese. And every day we flow it up, man, throw it up like a sign, throw it up like a holler, walk through the town like we ain't getting down. That's how you sit down on your own trade pound, sitting like a clown. Is how you wanna see me funny. This ain't really tough, this ain't really funny. This is real hip hop to the day that I death of it, day that I left of it. I say what I left of it, I pray what I have of it, I stay what I have of it. I don't know what I gotta do, but it's gotta still come out of the fucking shoot. This is now how it's gonna be, how it's gonna do. Yo, this is what it's out here. Yeah, you ain't gonna see what the bricks gonna cost next year till I floss and I boss and I call, see what how I do and which way and why's and how I stay with this prize, how I see all these guys, how I see all these lines, how I see all these lies, how I see all these lines in the ball and I spit in the sauce that I get and I park in the bitch and I park with the whip every day that I still sit down and I still read my mind. I was just coming out with the whole new empire, just coming out with this whole new line fire, just coming out with all the downloads from LimeWire. And this is how you get wired up in the trunk, up in the blunt, up in the comp. You know how you coming around sitting like a boss that you wish you thought you had. Coming back, all you talk about you getting mad. All you haters sit down when I come through this. All your motherfuckers ain't really hearing this. This is gonna be the whole hot list, kinda hot list, hot bitch like you can get this hot lift. Out your seat, man, get out your cars, get out your stalls. You ain't impressed, you ain't the boss, you ain't the cause of the boss that you ever just come and just really did this. It's getting dark outside, so you know some parks and darks outside. I ride the line right on the next train. Philadelphia, New York, the next plane, maybe even to Texas. I'ma let this restless till I still breath of breathless, until I have the less breath of the less list. I don't know who's on the guest list, but I still come around to your own town, let you know that it's going down. JCHC, I never frown a frown, ever see a town for pound, ever see a town that's down, even get the touchdown from the line, even see what it is from the dime or the crime on the type on the bias, and I don't even need these guys, all these women, all this little fettuccine talk about you, your boss, and how you coming up the coast. And I don't know how your game tight is. I don't know what your next title next year is, but I still hear that you just serious, and I'm still here cause I'm delirious. I sit that bed right on the top of you. You can't even just decide to bop with you or even drop with you. The rhymes is still kicking it out to the all the way out. It's still gonna be parked out. No matter how you see it on the bed, no matter how you see it on the chair, how it's fed through with the glare. And I don't know what it's gonna be next year, but I'll tell you one deal, this ain't gonna really get there. It's gonna get billed. You gonna see skills, you gonna see deals, you gonna see Fanny Punk whips on the wheels, you gonna see 26s and kills, you gonna see that with ridiculous bills. I don't know what is gonna happen, but you know my man is gonna stay rapping. JCHC will never retire, and you can keep that on your own liar. I'm 29, turning 30 next year, but you know the bear ain't gonna be really fair. How you gonna sit there with the mink coat on, talk about you down and all, but you blown on? Get your show on. I don't even show off. I do this for the fun of it. It's free mixtape all day, no loss. Ha! JCAC, baby, with another one of his freestyles. Let's get it down. Let's get into it. 100.